Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you a tour of my beauty room. We've just moved in about 2 months ago I think into our new house. So we've got a 3-bedroom house and I've got a beauty room in there, and my boyfriend has a gaming room as well. So I'm going to give you a tour of my beauty room, what it's like at the moment. It isn't completely done, so I'm just going to show you what is done basically. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, remember to give it a like, comment and subscribe at the end of the video, and enjoy watching. So as you walk into my room, this is kind of a full view of when you walk in. So the door's obviously here. So you walk in and here is my makeup desk. I'm going to try and tell you where everything is from, if I can. So we'll start from this side of the room. So up here I've got 3 square shelves here. I had these in my old flat, but I thought I'd bring them over to this house because I thought it would look nice in my makeup room because they're white. I'm trying to do this as a white and pink themed room. So here's my little snow globe and here's my plant that I had in my office. On this shelf are just a bunch of presents that I got for Valentine's Day from my boyfriend. Here's a rose that I got for Valentine's Day as well. It's a real rose inside and then it was dipped in gold. And on the last shelf are my Jeffree Star lipsticks. So I've got a bunch here. They're really dirty. I need to do a video of just cleaning my makeup basically. But I've got a bunch of Jeffree Star lipsticks in there. These shelves also need a bit of a clean, but I need to get to that. So here, if you can see, I've got my big shelving kind of unit. This is from IKEA. I'm pretty sure these shelves here are from B&M, but this is from IKEA. So on the top shelf are my flowers. On this shelf is a picture of me and my sister and a little like glass frame that she bought me. On this shelf are these makeup holders with my makeup brushes in. So I've kind of separated them into different parts. So these are all Beauty Bay brushes. These are Real Techniques. These are just other brushes, and I've got some more on my actual makeup desk. These are from Amazon, and they're not very expensive at all. On this shelf I have my perfume. So I bought this tray not long ago from Amazon as well. It's just like a mirrored perfume tray. I've got some of my favourite perfumes in here. So I've got Jimmy Choo, Dolce & Gabbana, Alien. I've got Lady Million stuff in the back. So on this shelf I've got my rose gold jewellery box. My nan actually got me this for Christmas, so I don't know where it's from. But I have some of my bigger earrings in here. In the second drawer I have just some of my necklaces. And in the third drawer I just have some hair grips and my Pandora bracelet and stuff like that. On this shelf I've got my candle and holder for beauty sponges. I need to get a new one. This was in my old house, so it's a bit rough, but I'm just using it for now, and I definitely need to clean these sponges. And this candle is actually sent to me by a company on Instagram called 5 Aromas. So they've sent me a bunch of candles before. This one they sent me actually broke in the post, so you can see here. But it smells really nice, which is a bit of a shame, but they've sent me another one anyway, but I like what it looks like anyway, so I just leave it there for decoration. So now if we go over to my desk, so this is my favourite part of the room because it took me so long. When we moved in, I wanted to get my beauty room done, but I couldn't until the mirror come, and that took ages because it was out of stock for a long time. But the mirror is from IKEA, the lights are from IKEA as well. They're like silver plates that you mount onto the wall, and then you buy the bulbs separate and you just install them in. It's really simple. I do need to hide the wires because they're black and this room's white, but I haven't got around to that yet. So I did buy 2 originally, and then I thought, oh, I want one at the top as well, so I've bought 3. I've got on my desk, I've got this mirror. This is from Amazon and it's just a little LED light that goes on and off. And I've just got this iPhone tripod, which is easy for, you know, taking pictures of makeup looks and doing TikToks and things. And on the other side of my desk, I have my makeup brush holders. So this one, I don't know where this is from, to be honest. And this one, I got this as a gift, and it has my name on it. These are more of my brushes that I use every day. So my face brushes are in that one and my eye brushes are in this one. As you can tell, I've done a lot of creative makeup looks lately because they are very dirty and very colourful. So over here is my chair. Now I haven't actually got a chair for this room yet, so we've got a new dining table downstairs, and it comes with 6 chairs, but there's only 2 of us in the house, so I'm using one of them chairs for now, and then I've just got a Primark throw on it and a Primark pillow just to, you know, make it look a bit nicer. And then I've got these drawers, so my actual desk. So these drawers are Alex drawers from IKEA. I already had one set, so I just got the other set, and then I bought a tabletop from IKEA as well just to make it into a desk. I've always wanted one of these like sort of desks, so I'm glad I've got it now, but it seems that there's still not enough storage space for me because I've still got loads of makeup that don't fit in these, so I'm going to have to probably get a large one somewhere as well, maybe in the corner over there, another large one just to get the rest of my makeup kind of organised. So if we move on to this corner of the room, I've got some photo frames down there that are due to be put up soon. I haven't put them up yet because I just don't know where to put them. I'm thinking probably put them up here, but I'm not sure yet, so they're just there for a minute until I decide. On this wall, my boyfriend's dad actually bought me this for Christmas. It's actually rose gold like wire with tiny lights on it, and it's got little pegs on it as well. I actually don't have a Polaroid at the moment, so what I've done, I went on a website and just printed off my normal pictures on Polaroid kind of paper, so it looks like this. So I got a bunch of them, and it's really good as well because you can actually put writing on it, so just put some writing on these ones. Scary as hell because that was scary. We went paraglided when we went to Turkey and it was horrific. So just got a load of pictures. So if we come over to the windowsill, I've got a couple of my books here. I have got a couple of other ones, but they're downstairs at the moment. And I got this cute little holder. This is actually from the range. I don't know if you can see because it's very sunny right now, surprisingly. And I've just got it full of makeup wipes, so I've got a few different ones in there. And I always keep stocked up because I do makeup looks a lot, so to keep it, you know, all in there. And then over here I just have these baskets. So these are from Amazon as well. I'll show you what's in them. So in the smallest basket I keep all my waxes for my wax burners around the house. Just got a bunch of Scentsy ones. I have this lavender one in my bedroom a lot to help me sleep. And then I've just got a bunch of other flavoured ones in the medium-sized basket. This is kind of a bit of everything. So I've got a lot of my fake tan in here that's been sent to me. I've got some extra, you know, spares of things. Some more fake tan there, and I've just got a bunch of sunglasses for some reason. Not really sure why, but I do. And then I've got a load of gloves for my fake tan. And then I've got a load of skincare products beyond here. It's quite deep, to be honest, and it's all just skincare products that I've got 2 of, or you know, they're just backups, or I've already got skincare in my drawers, so this is just kind of a little storage space for that. And then in my biggest basket, it's just a hair basket basically. So I've just got my curling wand, my curlers, my GHDs, you know, a cleaner for my makeup brushes, and then I've just got a bunch of, you know, hair masks and stuff back here. So if I need a bit of a pampering, I've got some products in there ready. Going back to the window, these curtains are actually from IKEA. When we moved in, we had some really ugly wooden ones installed into the window, and I really didn't like it, so we've removed them, and we've just bought the pole, which I don't know if you can see. The pole is from IKEA, and I think that was about £5, and then the actual curtain itself was also £5. It was actually way too long for my room, so I just trimmed it down a bit, and then I used the trimmings for a little bow, so it just brings it all together, which I thought looked quite nice. I can go through a couple of drawers. So I've got, you know, my face products. They're a bit of a mess at the moment, and then I've got some more face powders. This is my eyelash drawer. I've got, most of these have been sent to me. So from Eye Candy, Land of Lashes, got some from Never Basic Lashes, Unicorn Lashes. So I've got a lot in here that have been sent to me. And then here I've just got some organisers from Amazon again, which have just organised all my you know, lash curlers, tweezers, lash glue, things like that. And then down here, these are all just my face masks, some skincare stuff in that one. Then if we go over to the other ones, this is like my eye drawer full of my eye products. This is my creative drawer, so it's that's basically just got all my liquid highlighters, glitters, and just face paints and stuff. This one has all my lipsticks, which still needs organising because it's a mess. And then these ones are just eyeshadow palettes that need sorting as well. I'm not going to go through any of my drawers in too much detail because I'm going to do a whole new video on organising my makeup and my makeup collection. So that will come soon, and if you want any other makeup kind of tutorials or looks into my beauty room, then just comment down below and let me know. And yeah, this is my beauty room, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and press the bell for notifications, and I shall see you in my next one.